I think it's good.
What are we doing, bro?
Exhaust time.
Straight pipe time. Ben's car passed inspection, so now we can fucking wreck it.
The coronavirus, everyone's buying toilet paper, so we had to buy toilet paper just in case.
It makes you shit?
What?
No, have you noticed there's no toilet paper anywhere?
I don't shop. There's a lot of fucking you.
Okay.
My mom does that. Like a real bad. Oh, we're awfully high, aren't we, Ben? Ben, how do we get down, bro?
I do not know.
Jump, Noah!
Can you lower it down now?
No, we don't have time. Just jump.
No, I'm not fucking jumping.
Just climb down. Just squat down and put your arms down and just come down.
You just lower it like 2 feet.
No, just sit down and just slide off.
No, that's fucking high.
No, it isn't. It's literally like 6 feet. No, Ben. He needs to learn. Alright, so Ben's figuring. Actually, you explain, Ben.
I want to do blast pipes with, I don't know where the pipes went, but this is the, I guess, down pipe from the Corolla. So instead of trying to fabricate like wide pipes, we're just gonna weld this on and then weld the nice pipes on there, hanger, cut out the cat.
It's fucking hag. What are you gonna put in place of the cat?
Well, we have that the breeze.
fab. Is that the right? Have you measured it?
No.
It looks about right.
Worst case scenario, I'll just hit this with a screwdriver until there's no cat left inside. Decat the cat. It also rubs really bad. I don't know where it rubs.
What's this for then?
It's a pyro sensor.
Pyrotechnics.
What's that mean?
I don't know.
Everything on this hangs
Cat
so
sensor.
low, it sucks.
I know. If you want to go lower, but like I've driven this car one day and it's already scraped like so bad.
Okay, let's get to it. Ben,
This is scary.
okay. That's it?
More? You think?
Well, what the fuck was that supposed to do?
Man, you gotta get it pretty hot.
Ow, what the fuck?
Why is it sizzling so much?
Oh, that turns really nicely, actually. Is that spinning on the back?
Yeah.
No, it's from front.
I think heating it up like bent it because it's like open at the bottom now.
No, it just came loose.
Oh.
Is the bolt spinning on the back now?
Yeah, you're fine. It's going.
Where's the technology? Where's the impact?
It's over there. Yeah.
That was really tight. You didn't heat it enough.
Is it? Did you break it with the thing first?
Dude, this fucking shot. It's like the side of his face. You can see his glasses and that's it.
Keep it going.
This is how they filmed that movie Dunkirk, where it was like one shot.
That was 1917.
Oh right,
Okay, now we can use the technology.
right.
Correct. Ow, that one's really hot. Yeah, hit me in the face with it. Fuck.
Wow, new engine for 240, probably blown.
Oh, what's happening? Oh, no! I hurt my back. I don't care. Get out of the way. Okay, get the fucking grinder.
Yeah.
Actually, let me try to blast. No, the grinder's up here. I'll start. Do we have an axe? Do you want to do that or just want to send it? It's probably a good idea to
Well,
mark it up.
like.
I'll just bolt it on and then we can line it up.
Okay.
No, turn it down. Oh. If you fucking dislike this video, I'll curb stuff.
Whoa.
That's the way to do it. Alright. Alright.
What the fuck?
You didn't really think this through, did you? I feel like you should weld them on and put that hanger on and then figure this out. Because then you know what angle it's going to be. Where's the pipe piece?
On the table right there. Man's getting the Schwelder out and tack her into place. What do you think, man?
I think this is going to look sick. Ben's the coolest guy I know. Other than, well, you too, Noah. You're equally as cool. Jason's not that cool. He has a micro penis. I figure that all males in a family have the same penis genetics.
It's true. Wait.
The tabloids agree that Ben has a micro penis.
Are we going? Are we going? Are we going?
Oh, fuck. Oh, my corneas. My corneas are toasted. Oh no! I can't fucking see! Ben, are you sundan? Oh! Whoa!
Ooh, spicy.
Oh, that's hot. Okay, no, keep holding that up.
No! Are you on fire, bro?
Oh, that happened to my hoodie too. Yeah, you gotta be careful. I have holes in mine too. Well, Ben, looks like you just gotta buy new ones.
Oh no! Those are big holes though. I guess it's not.
Oh, you can fill that. Dude, you just get a chunk that you cut off and slip it in.
True.
Yeah.
Fucking pie cut, brother.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good, Ben.
Thank you.
Seconds away from hearing what this sounds like.
Wow, it looks really good.
How was it? Can I have the next one?
I feel like it's too long.
No. That's like one mandingo length.
Having it be crooked looks sick too, I think.
I swear they're all crooked. Like I don't think anyone gets them straight.
That was cool.
Give it a juicy bozo rev.
Alright. Finally have an exhaust on it. I'm probably gonna get a VI now, but that's okay.
Sounds sick, so that's alright.
Yeah, it should be good.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
Decent.
Hmm.
What was the comment again?
Ben has to stop.
We're doing a new one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't say that sounds like all one after that.
What?
Great. Come on, Ben.
Favorite brand of wheels?
There you go.
That's a good
Nice.
one.
What's yours, Ben?
I like SSRs.
Same.
All the boys like SSR.
That's the way to go.
You're just coffee.
Shut up!